Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Good morning, crypto friends. How we doing out there? It is Monday, all day long. Lots of great things to show you today. So we're looking here at BTC USD bull hammer candle at the moment. I'm a little under the weather, so bear with me here. So we have BTC USD support at the 59,754, and your resistance the 60,444.73. Looking there at the new all-time high up there at the 61,234 for BTC USD. We'll move on to Ethereum ETH USD. Ethereum 2129.57 will be your support, and resistance 2161.73. as we're banging away at new all-time highs for that one as well. RSI is still in good shape. Volume is just below average, so we're everything lining up here for the crypto space. As we move on to BNB USD, Binance Coin. Binance Coin BNB is on blue sky breakout, so there's no resistance up there, so we can just move that resistance level out of the way as we march our way to new all-time highs. We got all the way up to 643.65 as the CoinBase listing comes up this Wednesday. So watching out for that. KuCoin, Binance Coin. I won't list it here because I can't trade KuCoin, but BNB USD up 11.88%. And we keep that stop loss trailing up there at the 514 at the moment. We can move that just up above. There we go. Just below that wick of that low. So right there at the 526 at the moment. Let's move on to ADA USD Cardano. Cardano ADA USD. Yes, we have support at the 1.281 and resistance up there. And we'll recheck that for you at the 1.335 for ADA USD. Moving on to DOT PolkaDot, DOT USD. Holding that support level right down there on those double wicks, 39.896. And then resistance will be at the, yep, there we are, 40.783 for PolkaDot DOT USD. Let's have a look at the Doge. Doge had himself a run up there all the way up to 0.0799, almost 0.08. And we have support down at the 0.0687, and then your resistance level on the climb back through. Let's look at the 1 hour here, so if we can get some a little bit more precision on the climb back up through at the, there we go, 0.0736 for Doge. Have a look at Litecoin, LTC USD support 244.60, and then your resistance level on the climb back through 251.10 for LTC USD. Yes, we're now live. Officially confirmed. Oh my goodness. FIL USD Filecoin support down at the 174.569. Resistance up there at the 181.33. Let's have a look at STORJ USD. The competitor to Filecoin. We did see support off that 12-day moving average. Great bounce off of there. 2.414. And resistance is going to be encountered right there on this swing high at the 2.48. STORJ. Moving on to IOTA. Internet of Things. Support down there just above that 100-day moving average. You can see there that yellow line at the 1.969. And when you're climbing back through, resistance is going to be at the 2.02 for IOTA. Moving on to COMP USD comp. Support 434.88 and climbing up through. Resistance at the 443.31 for COMP USD. Have a look at, I always need your attention because I need basic attention coin. BAT USD. We will grab that support level. There we are. Just on that 100 days, you can see very clearly. So just above that previous low right there at the 1.4157. And resistance climbing back up through. First going to be the 1.4565 for BAT USD. Let's have a look at Ethereum Classic ETC USD. Ethereum Classic support down there just beneath that 100-day moving average at the 19.579. And resistance up there at the, we'll go to what we are on the 1 hour, so we'll switch to 30-minute time frames. There we are. And your resistance at the 19.867 for ETC USD. Moving on to XEM USD. We have our support level at the 0.411. And resistance coming back through is going to be right there at the 0.423664 for NEM or XEM USD. Moving on to MANA, MANA USD. Back to the 4 hour. There we go. Trying to look for that support to hold at the 1.09 and resistance you can see on the double tops of those wicks at the 1.12 for MANA USDC. Looking at ZIL, ZIL USD. Found our support level. We'll switch to the 1 hour quickly here. There we are. There's our support at the 0.19365 and resistance all the way up there. Trying to get back through that 0.1996 for ZIL USD. Moving on to NU USD. New support level at the 0.5872, and then lots of resistance up in here in this region, 0.5956. Moving on to NMR USD. Trying to get through 77.1759 resistance, and then looking for that as we have all these moving averages starting to curl underneath us here. Looks like we're going to get this 26-day cross coming up in the next 5 or 6 hours. So looking at support to hold down at the 73.362. Climbing back through, you're going to look at the 76.092 for resistance for NMR USD. Lots of volume here, so looking very strong for NMR. Moving on to graph token, GRT USD. Resistance at the $2 round psychological. And new support, we can move up to the 1.911 for the graph token. Let's have a look at Uniswap, UNI. You ain't got no alibi. You're Uni. We'll pop in here. Yeah, there we go. Support at the 32.7165. Resistance 34.192 for Uniswap. Moving on to AAVE USD. We have support at the 371.123 and resistance up there right on the top of that candle at the 378.313 for AAVE USD. We'll have a look here at MKR. MKR support 2289.771. Resistance up there at the 2394.09. MKR marching its way up to well, we have all-time high up to 3,100. So we got a ways to go, as most of our names here in the crypto space get all the way up to the all-time highs. Let's have a look at audio, which is on a tear. Audio's time to shine in the spotlight. And we are here on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we look at the 30-minute. This is where I got that. Yes, so we have our support level. 2.615. And your resistance up there to 2.804 for audio. We are in the overbought, almost in the overbought on the 4 hour. So if you have the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, we're overbought. We do have some room to get up to that 100-day moving average, so that would be your target. At the moment, that's your bogey. Moving on to CHZ USD. Support 0.449 and your resistance at the 0.4799 for CHZ USD. Volumes on the upside here, so looking good and strong. Have a look at Theta, THETA USD. Bring that stop loss just beneath there, support down there at the 11.905. Resistance at the 12.348 for Theta. We'll have a look at ENJ USD. Support 2.903. And resistance is going to be, we can bring that down just a hair there, 3.1537. We see the all-time high sitting up there at the $4 hair range. Almost done. Here we are with Harmony One ONE USD. And we'll set that for you. There we go. 0.1398 support, 0.1447 resistance for Harmony One. And here we are, BTC.D. The Bitcoin dominance still trailing off here just a tad as the altcoins still remain in the spotlight. So BTC.D, 55.59%. And we're looking at total crypto market cap now, as indicated by TradingView, $2 trillion and 27 billion. So I imagine some of the other ones, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, would give you a little bit more market cap than that. So $2 trillion, major milestone for the crypto space. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you for sticking with me. And I will see you tonight at the Crypto Happy Hour at 6 p.m. Have a great day out there, everyone. See you soon.